Today I'm gonna cook my fresh crab. Oh, nabali. Oh no. Poke the two crab. Ouch. What happened, darling? It's broken. How? So there you go, crabby. Don't mind me. Speaking of crab, guys, some other Filipinos or people, Asian people, like grabbing us. Like a crab mentality going down. Crab, 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 crab. Said that, do you know if the crab is boy or girl? He said like, if it's in the middle is, darling, which one is boy or girl? The small one in the middle, or I just remember before, like if it's small one, boy or girl, but you know the one in the middle, the gender of the crab, but yeah. So husband said, don't play your food, just eat it. Himalayan salt sauce, I just need to sprinkle. So it's boiling now, guys. So it's boiling. So I gotta put the crab. Oh no. Kasya naman kasi maliliit lang. And wait until it's cooked. Oh, help! Guys, slowly na siya nag-change yung color niya. So, nag-orange na siya. 10 minutes, guys. It's ready. Yeah. Orange na siya. So, let's cook. Sunday, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Australianangbisaya. It's me, Jen. Today's video, guys, me and my beautiful Bishi Hanlaya, we're going to the pie shop in Ernest shop for our breakfast. So yeah, let's go. Because I'm in the cell phone too. YouTube channel. It's a pie place. Version. Sweetie. Ernest shop. Our breakfast, guys.
Look at my eyes. Like,
what happened?
no. Look tired.
Just woke up. No.
Yeah. Look tired.
Best pie in town. No. I think this one, the best pie and coffee shop in town. Look at the lips. The eyes of the book. The Ernest Arthur pie, which is since 1997, really yummy. So you can buy household stuff. Hello, mga beautiful people. So happy Sunday, everyone, and we're just, you know, what you call it, having an, yeah, we're getting easy breakfast.
And I'm doing washing and just my washing machine is sorry.
So yes, before we're going back to work. Yeah, rest day. Oh no, so cute.
Maybe someone's dog run there and then they just stop and then they wanna take the dog.
Yeah, there's not sure.
You wanna stop and then chase him?
No, thank you. There's the owner. Please, good work. Sunday, wara wara. We will make sure we do the QR code. The fruits and meat. I don't know that there's still some here. Fruit shopping. Whoa. In pajama. That's the inside, guys. Fresh vegetables. Tomato. Watermelon. A moment, because I don't know what I'm getting. So I'm gonna come back here with my pajama. So let's go there. Toilet paper. No.
No, Ryan always bought.
So ready? Go. Scared me. So we're going home now, guys. Wow. Shopping in the booth. Oh, may tao pala sa likod. Oh no.
Try him, try him.
Happy Sunday, guys. For breaking. The best buy in town. Thank you, Han, for the shout out.
It's alright, I'll do my washing in here.
No, don't say. It's okay. But alam niyo ba na the best pie in town? It's located near in Bunnings, Ernest Arthur shop. Arthur Ernest pie since 1997. Yummy king prawn. So you must try, mga beautiful people sa taga dito. Highly recommended. 10 out of 10. So what are you waiting for? You go. Doing hey? Hey? Biscuits. He's looking for the biscuits.